Hi, this is Mark Terrace with MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're going to do a walkthrough on a 2024 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. This boat is a very versatile fishing, cruising, overnighting, does everything well. It's powered by twin V10 Mercury 400, which is a new motor for Mercury, joystick piloting. As we step into the cockpit, one of the new features of the 325 is this excellent dive door. In the cockpit, you've got an electric sure shade that'll cover all of this foldable seating. What's nice is all this seating will fold away for when you're doing a day of fishing. Twin fish boxes, bait well. Then as we move up into the helm area, you'll notice this full glass windshield that you're able to vent on days to let some air in. You've got an isinglass enclosure. This particular boat is equipped with cockpit and cabin air. The seating transforms itself, very versatile. The nice cockpit table, which will go up when you're entertaining guests. Twin simrads, joystick piloting. And then a cabin that could sleep four. Again, my name is Mark Terrace. Give me a call to schedule a time to come preview this gorgeous Jadestone 2024 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest.